Yeah, standing here with a lot of orders, just waiting for better days. I have to find out what I have to order of parts. See the side window here, it's not going up and down as it should. The cab needs some work. I have to go over and see what is the biggest problems. Yeah, it's a lot of question mark. I was trying to get into the trunk, but my keys don't work, or the trunk lock is ruined. One key is broken off, so I have to investigate more on that. You see the cabrio. Yeah, you see here. Not sure why they put on this. You see it's to hold it in here, but we should try to fix things here so you can use it a little when I try to get the money to be used for fixing up brakes and servicing the engine and things like that. I have to see what I have here. I was trying to think about ordering things now, so there's no point ordering if I already have it. You see, door cabbage and a lot of things like this. Yeah, it needs a completely restoration after some years, but if I can get it so I can use it. The start, that will make me happy. We have to look through this. You see here, that's a new oil filter. I haven't looked at the oil at all. Thermostat, and this has to be for the thermostat housing, I think, and for the top covers of the valve covers. That I have, so I don't have to think about that. But I was thinking to order new spark plug wires and things. But we just have to open and see. I haven't looked at it. We can check now. Here we see, need some cleaning up. Also on the brake system, need to clean up on wiring around. This can look very shitty, but maybe it's supposed to be like that. This was too much out there. Valve cover gasket. I'm not sure if there, put on some light. Yeah, it have been painted darker blue. It's supposed to be the light blue, as I remember. Snow cover here. That's all. Is it? Spark plug wires don't look that bad. Looks to be quite new. I have some leakage coming here. I'm not sure from what. We have to find out what this pipe is coming from. I don't know. The servo was not working. So I'm not sure if it's because it's empty. The servo pump is here. Or if the servo itself is finished, I don't know. Yeah, I was just checking here. It's absolutely empty, no few fluid in the servo tank, so it could be that easy. Dipstick. Why is it there? Yeah, it's a lot of things I just have to check. That I was thinking to get this. It started okay, so I have to see. I was believing I had to order new lines, but it don't look that. I have to go in and check. I don't have tools today, but coolant on radiator, is it anything at all? There. It's something here, but it's looks to be rusty, so we just have to clean it out. There's no point had this shit. Yeah. So there's a lot of things that have to be checked up. Check the oil, change the oil, maybe change or check transmission fluid and things like that. And go over and clean up a little mess and make it to look a little better before trying to take it to a control. Yeah, I'm just trying. Starting somewhere and go on with it. I just have to also set out and sell some other cars, because it's too much. I can't do anything with everything anyway. And I have saved many old cars that other people can have pressure. Other people can be happy for fixing. Sorry, my English today is bad. Just have to, yeah. But this is just you see, it's a lot of cosmetic things that need to be fixed.